I bought this hem tape because we need to hem some clothes and I do not have a sewing machine. And I wanted to do this before taking it to the seamstress to make sure that I like the way that it looks. There are actually some sweatpants that I have cut and am going to make into shorts. So I'm not sure if it's even going to work with that type of fabric, but I wanted to show you the hem tape, or it says hemming web first. This is 32 yards and it comes in this box. All right, so here is the tape. It's a little thicker than what I've had in the past, like wider, but I think it's gonna work out perfectly and it comes with a lot. So let's go ahead and try it and see if it works. All right, so first thing I want to do is iron the crease where I'm going to have the hem, just to make sure it stays, because this fabric is, it's like a poly blend, I think, or elastane or something like that. I just want to make sure it stays for when I have the tape on there. So once I do that, I will take the tape and just measure end to end. Just tear it there. Don't even need scissors. Then tuck that under. And you want to iron it for about 50 to 60 seconds. Just to make sure it's adhered on both sides, and I do believe that it is. So now I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing on this side. All right, I just finished both sides, and let's see what it looks like. There you go. There is the hem. Very clean, nice edges. And now, before we send it to the seamstress, we're going to see if we like these as shorts instead of sweatpants. So, highly recommend.